Alright, I'm going to show you my settings on. Here we go. Okay, am I aiming this right? Mach 3. Double click. This is for the shirt line. Give it a minute to boot. Here we go. Now, sometimes you get this right here and it keeps flashing no matter how many times you hit reset, it keeps flashing. And the reason for that would be under config, ports and pins. We come over here to input signals. And let's see here. Let's just scroll on down here. There. So this e-stop, I want that turned on 1 and 15, and then active low turned on. Alright, so that's really the only thing on these inputs. This is an open loop system. Motor outputs right here for x-axis. Those are numbers, what is that? 3, 2, 5, 4, 7, 6, 9, 8. Now, I don't think I have 8-axis connected momentarily, so that could be wrong. So, and then the other fun thing, battery's dying. The other fun thing is this Sureline half pulse mode. That's got to be turned on. Okay? Now, every time you do something, you want to come down here and hit this save settings. You'll be sad when you miss it. Now, motor tuning, check it out. You want all X, Y, and Z. Right now, this is what I have. I have 16,000. My velocity is at 40. And then the only other thing I did that was a little weird was this step pulse. Put it at 5. And when you change something, you want to hit this button right here, save access settings, hit OK. And again, you want to go over here and hit save settings. Anyway, when you do your motor tuning, you want to make sure that all X, Y, and Z all have the same. Now, this is for my particular setup. I hate losing steps, so I don't want to go too fast. That's why I set that at 40. Hit OK. And then the other thing you'll notice is every time you go in there and change stuff, this starts flashing. Hit reset. You're all set. Now, my particular setup, you got Y movement, X movement, and Z movement. And I'm doing that by hitting page up, page down, and then using the arrow keys. The other thing that will happen under homing and limits, you may have to reverse some of your directions. So you just turn that on to reverse it. And then when you're jogging the table, it moves in the right direction. Alright, so there you go. That's how I set mine up for the Sureline. And I'm using the weak stepper motors, but from what I understand, it's the same. Everything's the same. So, good luck.